It's Halloween. Time to let Alice out of her room. Nope. Alice? Oh, Alice, where are you? Oh, there you are.
What do you need, Oliver?
It's Halloween, so I wanted to get the scariest thing I know, which is you.
Oh, you know me so well, Oliver. So, what do you plan for us today?
Not much. We could scare some of those dumb kids and teachers for their candy.
Oh, that does sound fun. Trick or treat!
Nice catch.
That was nice, Bloomy. Wow, you're short and deaf. I said trick or treat.
See ya, Miss Shorty. Bye, Miss Tables.
What is it? What is it, you? Stupid. I mean, Super Alice. You're so super.
Right. What are they wearing?
Please ignore those two. What do you need, Alice?
Trick or treat.
But all my candy are Oreos.
And?
Ciao, Miss No Arms.
Oh, if it isn't my favorite principal, I must say, you did a terrible job with making the school scary. Oh, really? Well, you see, I don't care. That's a you problem, not a me problem.
You should buy higher quality materials so it doesn't break.
Well, you don't have to worry, Grace. I'm already bored. Let's go, Oliver.
See ya, cheapskate.
Huh, what a boring Halloween.
Aww. Don't worry, Alice. Even though we didn't pull many tricks, I'll still be your treat today.
Oh, Oliver.